scope, we can move to the text field on the left. Even if it doesn't look like, it is just a normal text field. You can copy and paste into it any text you want. As an example, I'll get some text from the CNN Student News website. To do that, I open the appropriate web page in my web browser, select some text, click the right button of my mouse and choose Copy. Then I'll back to Vocabull, activate if it isn't the text field, and click the right button of my mouse and choose Paste. And that's all. I have a text to work with. Of course, I could also use the Windows shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste the text. Now I'm ready to work with the text. I start to read it and see that the aftermath word is unknown for me. Therefore, I select it. The selected text string is automatically placed into the entry text field in the right sidebar form. I press the button to create an entry in the database. The form is moving to its next step. The aftermath entry is saved now, and on the bottom of the form has appeared a new text field. This one's waiting for a translation, a meaning of aftermath in Polish language, my student language. Vocabull is not integrated with any dictionary yet. You have to get a meaning, a translation, from a third-party dictionary, online or traditional. It doesn't matter, it's your choice. I've already checked the meaning, and it is następstwo in Polish. It's a noun. I press the button to add the meaning to the entry. In such a way, I've created something what I call an ED item, an entry translation item. And now I can, only if I want of course, add a usage example of the item. To add it, double-click a row with the particular meaning. In that case, there is only one meaning, so the action is simple. The form is moving to its next step. To add a usage example, simply select one or more, if they are short, sentences from the text on the left. Selected text is automatically placed into the proper text field on the right. An example string cannot be longer than 250 characters, including white spaces. When the example field is focused, press Enter to save it. As before with the meaning, the saved example appears right under the entry translation item. Now I have a fully created ED item. It consists of three elements: an entry in the target language, aftermath, its meaning translation in the student language, następstwo, and a usage example. To start to create a new ED item, click the Done box at the bottom of the sidebar. Even though I like to note down newly acquired words, that what I really love is to note down useful phrases. And now I see one of them. In the aftermath of the earthquake. But to convert the phrase into more general, I have to change the string a little bit. I change the aftermath into STH, what means something. Now I have something like a language pattern, and that is what I really need in my language learning. The Polish translation will be w następstwie czegoś, and it's a phrase. Of course, I can add the same usage example to this new item. Every time when I will review the item, I replace the STH into something more meaningful. Like, for instance, in the aftermath of the war, or in the aftermath of the storm, or anything else. I really like it.